All right, everyone, welcome. Let's go over for today our timeline for the month, the major milestones we're going to be hitting. Essie, what are you doing?
Eating chips and hummus because you didn't let us stop for lunch earlier.
Oh my gosh, I love chips and hummus. Okay, well, if this snack is vital to our survival so that we can pay attention through the meeting, retain the information, and thus carry out my plan, then I'll permit it. Yeah, I'm already having trouble seeing how snacks are relevant to any of this. Could we just get moving, please? Could this meeting have been an email? Okay, that's it. Put the chips away.
No, I'm hungry.
I don't care what you are. What you're doing right now is making a mess, and we don't have time to clean it up later, so put them away.
Fine.
Ow. Okay, so we're talking about the thing right now. This is the thing right here. FI.
I'm fine. Everything's fine.
Even if she's not fine, I can tell you whatever is wrong has zero relevance to what's going on right now. Yes, TE, while I agree with you that that's probably the case, remember we discussed the importance of being a more balanced team and how that would serve us in the future. So, FI, what's wrong?
Well, there's a dog and her puppy got hurt and she couldn't save her.
Oh my gosh, could someone please get her to shut up? This is not important and nobody is even going to.
But then there was a human and the human took the puppy and helped the puppy get better and he reunited it with his mom.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. But remember, I mean, that was just one act that was caught on social media.
See, some humans are good.
That same human probably supported inhumane industries towards animals in some other way through how they spent their money that very day. So, I mean, don't believe the hype, FI. I mean, humans are terrible. Humans are the worst.
You're right. I hate the humans.
Okay, great. So now that we're all back on the same page, TE, you have the floor. All right, who's ready for a group brainstorming session? This is our opportunity to get this thing to work at the highest possible potential. Wait, let's start with an unoriginal motivational quote that I love.
Can you just skip to the good stuff?
Fine. Where did SC go? She's the one who's actually going to be responsible for doing this, so she needs to hear it.
SE, you're hurt, aren't you? Please tell me this doesn't require a trip to a doctor because you know I am probably not taking you.
You're fine. We're fine, right? We're all okay? I was still hungry, and so I was in the kitchen, and I was standing on the thing, and then I slipped on the thing, and then there was glass, and then, I mean, look. Oh my gosh, that's really bad. Yeah, that could probably use a stitch or two. I told you already, we don't have time. Essie, wrap up your own hand. We have to get on to our next item for the day.
How am I supposed to wrap up my own hand only using one hand?
Yeah, I'll show you, but you have to do it. Okay?
Okay, we're fine. We're all good. All good.
Well, this is against my better judgment, but you're the boss and you always seem to know what we can get away with. Yes, I am. Now let's get going because we have a YouTube video to edit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video that had to do with a little bit of how the cognitive functions would interact with each other during a meeting, which happens every day within our own brains. And I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.